Hello, welcome to the video. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Simon Gillam of Simon Security Expert, and on today's video we're going to be talking about the Guardfather Security System. The Guardfather Security System is a DIY security system that you can fit yourself. Now, a little bit more on that later because I have very recently implemented a professional fitting service, but we'll talk about that a little bit more later on in the video. So I've been a security engineer now for coming up to 12 years. I really love my job. I've got a real passion for it. I enjoy installing security systems into people's houses, into people's businesses, and making them feel a lot more secure and a lot safer in their own home and or their premises essentially. But the thing is, I was resigned to my local community because, I can't travel anywhere further than that or do anything like that. So it was born because with the Guardfather, I can send out the kits that people order from the website, and then they can then fit it themselves with the guidance of me or my team, and we can show them how to do it. They can look after it themselves, free to use app, and they can service it themselves. And basically it means we can now protect people much further afield. I've had absolutely amazing feedback from everyone who's installed the system, and it's been a real pleasure to do it. So with it being a new brand, it's going to take a while to build that trust and build that momentum for a lot of people to not only know the brand, but trust the brand and trust that they're going to get a good service when they order this equipment. And that's absolutely no problem. I've been doing videos now for about a year, helping people with all sorts of issues on all sorts of alarms, all sorts of CCTV systems, whatever security it is. I got no problem continuing to do that, trying to grow the brand, trying to help you as well. And that's essentially where we're going with it. I want people to feel confident that when they've bought this system, they can trust it's going to work. They can trust that they're going to get the aftercare support that they need, and they can just trust essentially that we'll look after them. And that's what I'm going for. The website link anyway will be linked in the bio. You go onto the website, you select the starter bundle, and from there you add on any extras that you may want. You add to cart, you check out, you get the delivery, and then you just follow the handy YouTube setup guides online on YouTube so you can see exactly how to install it from top to bottom. So how does it work? Yeah, I've done videos on install videos, doing it physically, and I will link those in this video as well. I'll put them at the end, on the end screen, so you can click onto it and you can see. But how does it work? Well, like the way a lot of wireless security systems work. So you'll have your control panel unit. Now this is mains run. And when I say mains run, you plug this in to a power outlet in your wall. And then from there, you'll have an Ethernet cable going in to your router. That connects it to the internet. Now from there, you've got the brains of the system installed, and off the control panel, this is where you then link your wireless devices simply by scanning barcodes. You scan the barcodes once you've made your account on the Guardfather app, and then when you scan those barcodes, you add on detectors such as opening contacts. Now these are also known as door and window contacts. Motion sensors that are pet friendly, so if you've got dogs or cats and things, you can still set the alarm. All these devices are wireless as well. You've got outside motion sensors. Now these are motion sensors that sit on, for example, your house wall, the back garden, and look out into the back garden. And yes, don't worry, they're pet friendly. Foxes, cats, dogs and things, don't trip them. Look, if a gorilla, runs in your back garden, yes, it's going to trigger the alarm. But to be honest, I think you'd want warning of that anyway. You've got other things on it, such as smoke sensors, key fobs for easy setting and unsetting, panic alarms that are on the key fob and in the app itself, and it's all app controlled with no forced subscription fees. So we'll pay no forced subscription fees, NFSF. No, I should probably try and push that abbreviation. But this essentially is how a alarm system works, a wireless DIY security system. You have your control panel, you have your devices, you learn them all onto the system. You just type in, say for instance, lounge or kitchen or front door, so you can then, you'll decipher which one's which, and you can program them accordingly. Some will create instant alarms, some will create like an entry and exit. For instance, if you open your front door, you're probably going to want about 30 seconds before you go to the keypad, which is touchscreen, by the way, a touchscreen keypad where you can then put your code in to unset it. Now, systems like this, they're not dependent on the internet. A lot of people sometimes think, oh, well, it's a wireless security system, it must be dependent on the Wi-Fi, which means it's no good because someone could cut the internet. Don't worry. When you've got a wireless system, a good wireless system, it doesn't depend on the internet. What it depends on is its own radio frequency. So the control panel speaks out to all detectors right, via its own radio frequency, meaning that if your internet goes down, it doesn't interrupt your alarm system, which is great because you don't want an alarm system that just goes down internet. All it means is you wouldn't be getting your notifications through to your app unless you chose the option of having an additional SIM card. So then if someone, did try to cut the internet to your house, or maybe you didn't have internet at the house at the time, you could put a SIM card in it, and therefore no one's gonna be able to cut that because they'd just be trying to chop air. And it's basically a backup line, a GSM, so that it gives you the option of never actually losing access to your alarm panel. So it's just an additional option that you may want. Some people want a SIM, some don't. So what things are we putting in place to try and get people to feel comfortable and easy about actually ordering this system to upgrade their security? Well, for one, a 60-day money-back guarantee. 6-day money-back guarantee. Now, the reason that's in place is, the fact is, if someone orders the system, gives it a try, and for some reason doesn't like it, so far we haven't had one. We've got 100% satisfaction rate, which is I'm really, really proud about. But the 60-day money-back guarantee is a case of if someone goes, no, I don't want it, take it back, go, okay. No questions asked. If you can just put it back, send it back to us, we'll pay all the shipping, send it back, and that's that. You'll get your money back. No questions asked. I don't want it to be a case of having to jump through hoops or anything like that. I want people to feel easy and comfortable in the fact that they know they can get their money back if for any reason they don't like the system. Hopefully you do, and we'll certainly try and sort out any problems you may have with it, but it's a nice option to know that it's there. Another benefit is you have UK-based customer support on WhatsApp. So we have a dedicated technical support line that comes to our UK engineers, and they can help you out with any problems you've got. So essentially, if you're going, oh, I've got an issue with this, you can type it to us. Now, usually we can just type back the instructions so you've got them to follow. But if it's something a little bit more complex, we can always call you, and we can always FaceTime you, for example. If you just want to show us how you've set up your system so you can make sure that it's working okay, that's absolutely fine too. We can just arrange it on the message. So if you do have any questions or any issues or anything like that, you can message that number that you get with the kit. So you get a flyer with the kit with the number on, and then we'll help you out with any problems that you may have with it. Now, something that I mentioned at the start was about the system being a DIY system. Now, I may have misjudged the market a little bit on the amount of people who want to order their alarm system from a website like us, but still have the option of a pro installer coming out to do it. I've been getting a lot of messages about, oh yeah, okay, I'm happy with that. I'd like to order the system from you, but I want someone to come and fit it for me. Honestly, I've misjudged it. I didn't realize how many people would want that option. So it's been set up, and just in the recent few days, it's been finalized that we've now got a team together that can then go out and install the system pretty much anywhere in the UK. So it's great. They understand the system, they know it well, and they can come out and they can put the system in for you. There is an extra charge for it because they've got to be paid, so there's an install charge for it, but you have that option. You don't have to have it, you can install it yourself, but I was surprised at the amount of people who want the option of a pro installer. So that's been added to it because you asked for it, and that's what we want to do with this system as a whole. We want to work with our customers, see exactly what they want, what they're enjoying, if there's anything they're not enjoying, add things, take things away dependent on what they're looking for, and just adjust it accordingly with little small adjustments to make sure they've got the perfect product. Thankfully, so far, everyone's been loving it. Another question you might have is, well, how do I know what devices I need? Because usually, when you're getting this kind of system, or when you're getting a security system, an engineer from, say, the local area will come out and they'll do a quote for you and they'll tell you what you're after. I've made a video for that. I'll link it in this video as well, either in the description or at the end screen, that it just literally, it walks you through exactly what it is that you may or may not need just for your system. So you can go, oh, okay, well, I know that now. For example, I need 2 opening contacts, I need 4 PIRs, I want 1 sounder, I want a keypad. I mean, there's all, in the starter bundle, there's a few of these devices anyway, but you'll be able to see, okay, I've got that, I maybe just need to add a sounder, add a PIR, or add a door contact, something like that, so you can understand exactly what you're looking for. Don't forget as well, you can always come back later and expand your system. We have an expand your system page where you can go onto it and just add another detector here or there in case there's something that you missed. But I've made a video guiding you through it, exactly how to choose what it is you want. And look, I also don't mind at all if you watch this video on how to decide what you want and then go, oh, okay, that's great, now I know what I need, but I'm not buying your system, I'm buying something else because I've already decided on that, or whatever the reason might be. absolutely fine. I'm so happy as long as people are secure in their homes, their businesses, their properties. It doesn't have to be my system. And if you don't choose my system, if you have issues with any other system, or if you've got a system that's 20 years old that you're having problems with, whatever it is, just ask me in the comments if you need some help with it. I will help with whatever system it is, whether you choose mine or not. This is what I do, this is what I enjoy. I've been doing this for ages. You know, if you go through my videos and go into the comments of people asking questions and how to do things, I help everyone. Nothing's too much time, nothing's too much effort. I'm more than happy. Some of my comment sections have been going on with me and the same person for like 50 different comments because we're just trying to figure out the right thing for them to do, and we've always managed to get to the bottom of it. So I enjoy what I do. Any problems with any system, don't care what it is, just put a comment on a video, for example, or message me on Instagram. Not many people follow me on Instagram at the moment, but still, you can do that, and I'd be more than happy to help. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll link the other videos that I've talked about in this video so you can decide to go and watch the ones to see what you need, and then go and watch the ones to see the install, so you can just get some more broad information about it. If you have any questions about anything, please just message me. I'd be more than happy to help you with it. And if you do end up choosing the Guardfather Security System, a big thank you from me, and thank you for trusting us with your security. Thanks for watching, guys. Always good to see you. See you on the next one.